Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Just want to put together some quick videos on a new playlist for these video shorts of simple chainsaw maintenance sort of things that you guys should be able to do, as homeowners, using your saws once in a while kind of stuff. I do have a lot of tutorials on more in-depth things such as changing carburetors, cleaning carburetors, swapping out gas lines, and swapping out oilers and oiler systems for chainsaw. So if that's something you need, you guys be sure to check out my channel, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Today, real quick though, we're going to discuss your chainsaw and is it running rough or maybe it won't start. One of the first things you can look at, one of the first simple things you can look at is your spark plug. You can always pull your spark plug out, take it down to the store, look it up online and swap it out. And sometimes that's just a quick, easy fix to get your chainsaw up and running at its best. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check out some other videos. Thanks.